Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from TikTok videos. So here, let's say I'm going to save this videos right here. So I'm going to click on the share button and tap on the save video. So there are two ways that you can do if you want to have a TikTok video without the watermark. First, you can just download the video like this, like what I did before, and then you can open it in a video editor that you use. For example, here I'm using CapCut. So you can just open the video editor app and then open it in a new project. Okay, so I've already opened the video. So as you guys can see here that the video has watermark on it. So what you need to do is just zoom in the clip. You can do it like this, and the watermark will be disappear. Or you can also do masking. You can just copy the clip and then make the clip too, and use masking to blur the watermark. Or you can just use the easiest way. You can open TikTok again. Here, don't download the video but copy the link. So click on copy link and then open a third-party app. You can use Snaptic. You can find it on the Google Play Store, or just use the one on the browser like this. You can just paste the link in here on the box and tap on download. And now just click on download again, and the video will be downloaded without the watermark. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.